then my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xander until back with another reaction, man. Today we're here with another one caught on ring doorbell camera. You know what I'm saying? And this one's called "Always Remember to Grab Your House Keys." Facts. Where the fuck are you going with all your keys?
Right.
Basketball. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, without further ado, if you guys enjoy, always drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, let us know what you guys want to start to next. And like I said, I still got to do the playlist of these because we're gonna keep on reacting to these. So I'm gonna do a little playlist for y'all. I think we're gonna start like a cop series as well. We're gonna start reacting to those. Our scary videos, we gotta get back into those as well. You know what I'm saying? Just try to bring different content for y'all so y'all could enjoy a different side of us instead of just music. Bring something different. Also, we are planning on dropping like videos and then like gaming videos here as well. So be on the lookout for that. And most of the videos that we drop here that are gonna be different is gonna be with well, of course, us too. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get right into this. Let's get it. So hey, comment down below which scary video you guys want to see.
I'm not okay. I need to know where my mom is.
She's not in this not in this dwelling. I don't know your mom. Hey, no, stop!
You are now watching Doorbell.
I don't know your mom.
Right. To mom? Oh.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This
Yeah,
is what
keys
happens
on
when you
them?
leave
Yeah.
your keys in the door.
Dude, how do you leave your keys on your door?
How the fuck are you? I don't know. Oh god, I don't know. But you
mean,
deserve this. I'm sorry, but why the fuck are you leaving your keys on the door,
Even if
bro?
you're too sleepy, bro. Can't leave your keys on the
Yeah.
door.
This guy drove off with someone's RAV4.
Well,
Hey, bro.
Always remember to grab your keys out of the door.
I mean, it's happened, but god damn, that sucks.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
Fuck y'all doing over there, Oklahoma?
Oh, hey, happy Thanksgiving. We're so thankful you're here. Sit tight. We'll be there in a moment.
What the fuck? So you could add your own custom, like, thing, I guess?
Hi. Does Casey live here? Okay.
Wait,
Here,
what?
I just got out of Walmart and I found this in the parking lot.
Oh shit.
Oh my
So
god.
I did pull out his ID because I didn't know who it belonged. So
Pick him up. Oh,
I didn't take anything from it, by the way. I appreciate that.
I mean, even if
But,
it took
yeah,
$100,
I messaged
bro.
him on Messenger, but I didn't get a response. I was like, oh,
bro, shout out to him, bro. Hold on. You don't
Yeah,
find people
There's
like
good
that.
people in the world.
Real
This
shit.
guy brought back this man's wallet. Good for him.
I've been like, what's your PayPal, bro?
Birmingham, Alabama. Meanwhile,
Fuck you doing, bro? Think she's
check
stealing
her
mail.
out. She goes for a colorful boxing and she takes off with her neon green shorts.
Why?
You know what time of the year it is. Yeah.
I'm sorry, but if I ever get my package stolen and if I find you in the streets and I know it's you, but
We're handing my money on
In
my
Texas, this guy comes ringing somebody's doorbell at almost 5 a.m. I don't know what he wants.
he looks tired,
Bro,
bro.
he does look tired.
It looks like he
Why
has
the
to use the
fuck-
bathroom or something.
Right, I better say, what do we need to take a shit or something?
Hey, buddy, I'm in here sleeping. I gotta wake up in an hour. Get lost. Bethany, Oklahoma. Yeah, people always going for those cushions.
There ain't no way, bro.
Way. Some pillows.
You definitely can't leave nice pillows outside anymore. This guy's gonna take my good cushion. I like that cushion.
Should have took the big one.
Cambridge,
out.
Massachusetts. Apparently, we have an adult
There ain't no
pumpkin
way, bro.
smasher.
Why?
I mean, I thought this was something that only kids did. This guy looks.
Bro, there ain't no fucking way either.
This is
Someone
no-
pissed him off so hard he had to take it out on something, bro.
No, we're already in the
Looks like he's about 60 years old.
Fuck this
Hey,
shit.
buddy, you need to find a better way to handle your
Ah.
anger management.
Right? What are you doing, bro? You're fucking up a
Get
family
lost.
pumpkin.
Long Beach, California. Yeah, check her out. Another grandma porch pirate.
She got my haircut, bro. I
She
gotta
looks
get a
like she's
haircut.
about 60 going
What
on
does he-
What's his
16.
take?
She steals somebody's welcome home sign, and then she takes off. Birmingham, Alabama. This neighbor wanted to leave a message for all of her other neighbors. Check out what she had to say.
Hey you guys, so I'm fairly new to the neighborhood, and since I moved over here, I have been harassed. And when I say harassed,
Wait,
I
what?
have been harassed. My car was broken into,
Oh.
trash has been thrown in my yard, just all type of harassment, and I needed to stop. So I am here on Ring to make a declaration of independence for my community. I need my community to work with me and not against me. I don't bother anybody. I stay in my lane. I don't even really talk to my neighbors. So I don't understand why I'm being harassed, but I have been being harassed. So this is my message to my community. So please just leave me alone. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it.
Man, that
Thanks
sucks.
so much. Hey neighbor.
Oh, fuck.
Good.
Yeah, well, thanks a lot for the message.
I never heard her say
Hopefully
all
they
that.
they leave her alone or something. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
Oh,
What's this guy
fuck.
doing? Like a
What are you doing?
Beyonce wiggle dance or something?
Yeah,
Looks
bro,
like he's
he's
trying to
too
steal a
nervous.
doorbell. Get lost.
Oh,
3 p.m.
Long Beach, California. This female porch pirate is out trying to get somebody's mailbox open.
Like,
She
when you
comes
get out of
prepared
mail.
with a screwdriver.
there ain't no way. It's just funny to me, bro. What the fuck? Oh my
Hey,
God.
you're not the mail woman. What are you doing in my mailbox? Get lost.
Holy shit.
Houston, Texas. Never open your door at this time of night for strangers.
Yeah.
It's 3 in the morning, and this guy rings
Oh,
someone's
yeah,
doorbell.
nah. Fuck that.
3 in the morning?
Oh, I see someone by the door.
You gonna talk to him? Who is it? Lady, hi, is there Dale here? Who? Dale? No, wrong. Alright, thank you.
The homeowner definitely shouldn't open the door.
Right,
He should have
fuck
spoke
that.
to him
I
through his
mean, you have
video
a camera,
doorbell.
bro. Talk through the camera.
Houston, Texas.
For
These
rent.
guys see a for rent sign up in someone's front yard.
I was about to say, what the fuck are y'all blind? They
I
do
would've-
look old, and then there's writing, so never mind.
And instead of just writing the number down, they decide to snag the sign and walk off.
I guess they're gonna buy it, or they're gonna rent it. Oh, never mind.
Again, looks like a couple of immature adults. These guys look to be about 40 years old, and they're still doing goofball stuff.
Right.
Get lost.
Fuck y'all doing, bro? Oh,
Tampa,
fuck.
Florida. Check this guy out.
Nah, this was definitely on something, bro.
It's 1 a.m. and he's out wiggling
What?
people's doorknobs. This is why you always gotta keep those doors locked.
Yeah, that's scary, bro.
Yeah. Get lost.
Like, I
He
wonder
in
what's
church
going
too?
through his head, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Washington, D.C. Do I gotta keep saying it over and over again?
Oh, no, the
Stop
pillows.
leaving those nice pillows out on the front porch.
there ain't no way,
These
bro.
porch pirates love pillows.
I mean, they're expensive, bro.
Real shit, bro. A pillow like those.
The
they're
homeowner
like
catches
20
them in
bucks.
the act, but it's too late. They're gone with her nice pillows.
Fuck y'all doing with my pillows?
Hey! Oh, I'm late,
Washington, D.C. A neighbor catches a porch pirate in the act. She tries to reason with him, but he takes off.
Look at him, acting like he's not hearing this shit. I would have ran after him.
And now the moment everyone's
fuck.
been waiting for. Birmingham, Alabama. Check this guy out. He walks up to a woman's house saying he's looking for his mother, but he's definitely at the wrong house.
You?
My mom. Yeah.
I think you have the wrong place.
Nah, this is the house, alright?
I think I have the wrong place.
Yeah. I don't know your mom.
Never heard of her.
Mary.
Huh?
No, I don't know that person.
It goes behind you. Ah.
So he's getting
Are
picked
you
up.
okay?
I'm not okay.
Oh damn.
I need to know where my mom
She's
is.
not in this not in this dwelling.
She's not here, mama's boy. Get lost.
That sucks,
Hey,
man.
no, stop! I will shoot.
But I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, he came back to his senses real quick.
He's like, hold on.
Hold
what?
on, you a what?
Why are you calling the
Because he
police?
tried to enter my residence.
Was he like? Cause it's like a band that was at the hospital.
No,
or
I was
something?
about to
I
say,
was
bro.
trying to use the.
Unless he was like at a
Doorbell
party or
News
something.
Crime Watch.
I don't
coming
know,
to a
man. That's
neighborhood
just.
near you.
Make
sure
his
you
mom.
subscribe
Hopefully
today.
she's alright. But
If a thief breaks in, the first
God,
thing
right.
they'll notice is your security camera.
oh.
Man's
Alright,
like,
well, that's gonna be the end of that, man. Shout out to the Doorbell cameras. You know what I'm saying? I keep saying this every video. One day we'll buy one, and when we buy one, we'll do an unboxing video just so you guys can see it, and we'll definitely be posting anything we catch that's funny or whatever and shit. One of us eats shit or something, and we catch it on the doorbell. We're posting that shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's gonna be the end of that. If you guys did enjoy, as always, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.